I, Jose Ibarra Gonzalez Jr., take you, Gabriela de la Cuesta, as my lawful wife.
I, Gabriela de la Cuesta, take you, Jose Ibarra Gonzalez Jr., as my lawful husband.
To have and to hold,
From this day forward,
for better, for worse,
for richer, for poorer,
in sickness and in health,
till death do us part.
until death do us part.
Thus, Gab, it is at this time that I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may now kiss the bride.
Sanggalin mo dyan, boss! Sanggalin mo!
Nung gabi na kinasal tayo, nag-kiss ba talaga tayo noon o hindi?
Misis ko, baka nakakalimutan mo na ikaw ang unang umalik sa akin. Nung sinipiar mo ko at binuhay mo ang puso ko. Pero ito ang magiging pinakapaborito ko sa lahat. Ang halik na panghabang buhay.